Singapore's hawker centers are famous for serving some of the best and most affordable food in the city. But today, we are trying something a little different. We are at Maxwell Food Centre in Chinatown, where one store lets you cook the meal yourself. I've eaten at plenty of hawker centers before, but this is definitely one of the most unusual food experiences I've come across in Singapore.
What is that red bean? Here for $1. 5 pieces of red bean fritters coated in sugar.
5 pieces of what?
Red bean fritters coated in sugar for $1.
For $1.
Freshly out of the stove.
So you can only get this at the Maxwell Food Court in Chinatown.
Yes.
So folks, one of the best things you can do when you come to Chinatown, in addition to seeing all the beautiful things or the beautiful touristic attractions, is to come here and is to come and get this this for $1.
You can get it anywhere, but the whole self-service thing is what stands out here.
Okay, I see.